Alrighty, I had a few questions regarding my setup once I was buying the distribution hub the other night from FPV. So this is what I've ended up with over the weekend. A Railblazer mount here for my front camera. The Brunton all-day battery. I was running two of these, one on the front and one on the back. It's got the R-lock, swivel mounts. Change my setup. The 95 SV plus. Back here, had the original base for the light. I then went and got the additional USB base, mounted that on top. So now I can run my light, GoPro at the same time. In the front. Battery on the post there. The hub on the back. Wiring along the side there. So now all I have to do, press the remote, let's see, light. Let's see if this picks it up. B for the camera. It's charging now. Don't have to worry about getting back here to put batteries on, change it through the day. Full power. Press A, sounder off.